Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, I haven't been to Dollarama in what seems like ages, so I thought I would go today and take you along with me just to see if there's anything new, what's new in Halloween, what's new for Christmas, which is personally my favorite time of year. But anyways, that being said, come along with me and see what there is. Well, the first little thing I see is this beautiful, cute little bride. Look at that little veil, so cute. And it's by the Hallmark brand, which is great to see name brand items at Dollarama. Next, you'll see these Dinosaur modeling clay, which are so cute. Isabella, of course, wanted one. But look how cute these are. These would make great gifts as well, or party favors. A lot of name brand toys. You can see here Trolls. Then you'll see Ninja Turtles. They are certainly stepping up their game. Coming up, you'll actually see one of these splat balls, which you actually see at shopping malls where the sellers actually throw them against the wall or the floor and they just splat. So we're going to try that out. You'll see that in an upcoming haul. Check out this little emoji ball. You push on the tongue and it lights up. Super cute. Here you'll see a light up bracelet. This is new to my store. I haven't seen it, so I'm not sure if it works or not. Look at this cute little, what is it, a lamb, I think, again by the Hallmark brand, so definitely some brand name items. And here's the Christmas area. Slowly they're putting out things, not so much yet, not in my store anyways, but look at these items, super cute, and I'm super excited for Christmas. And yeah, so let's see what they have. These I think are super cute. It's the little red cars with the snowman, and there's Isabella showing baby Jesus, but there's some villages there, and like I was saying, it's a snowman carrying a Christmas tree, and we have a reindeer over there, and we also have Santa Claus, which I think we'll see just about now in the red car. Super cute. And we have these faux Christmas trees, which are perfect for a crafting area or a desk or an office space. And there's some glitter trees, which are super nice. I actually wrap around the wire lights on those, and they look really good. I have a video from last year showing that. It looks really good. And we have some more tinsel and garland, and I just love this time of year. Oh my goodness, look how cute these pillows are. We have French fries and we have a cookie. I don't necessarily think I'd want that in my house. It doesn't really go with my decor, but they're super cute. We have some emoji pillows, some Halloween ones. So adorable. And here's some more Christmas sorry, I have Christmas on the brain. Some more Halloween decorations. Isabella was in love with the Halloween decorations. You can see there she's taking the lead. I'm again more into Christmas. Can you tell I love Christmas? But let's see what else they have here. So moving away from the Halloween items, this aisle is for winter gear, and now is the best time to stock up because they are fully stocked of scarves, neck warmers, gloves, mittens, hats. Again, now's the best time to stock up. Some cute little earmuffs over there, and yeah, we'll definitely be picking some of these up. I like to have a stock of these because little Miss Isabel there tends to lose her gloves or mittens, so I always like to have a nice stock and backup. And for $1.25, $1.50, $2, what have you, you can't go wrong. These little pajama pants, we got a pair of those. They're flannel, super warm and cozy. We got a pair of those for Isabella. And you can see just on top there, they have the Conair hair styler for $4. That's what is a, as shown on TV, product. We didn't pick that up, so I don't know if it's any good, but just so you know, it's out there if you want it. They have these cozy little slipper socks, so cozy. They also have their Christmas t-shirts out, and right now from what I can see they have sizes small to extra large, so again, time to stock up. Coming up is a cute battery-operated light bulb for a locker. Maybe you can even use that in a closet. This was new to my store. And these storage bins are new to my store. They're really nice. They're like a taupey gray color with flower accents. Super cute and would go pretty much with any decor, in my opinion. This isn't new, but I'm always drawn to this wall art. So cute. I love their sayings, and I just think they're so cute. These are cute little tumblers, and believe it or not, they are plastic. So yeah, and they're BPA free. And this concludes the Shop With Me at Dollarama. stay tuned because I will have a Dollarama haul to share with you what I did purchase. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know, again, I've said this time and time again, I've been MIA for the last couple of weeks, maybe even a month or so, but I've been extremely busy, and maybe I'll have an update video for you. Who knows? Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye, everyone.